That was fun, snaking it through that little tiny spot there. Mind that big duct. 75 horse motor on the ground. Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. I had a thought as I'm wrangling this 75 horse motor over my head through a really small hole down to where I'm working, or where I can get to it and swapping the new motor. Am I addicted to being the big damn hero? I mean, seriously. There's easier ways to make money, and I really wonder, why do I do this? I mean, it's kind of fun doing the stuff that nobody else kind of knows how to do or can do, but that's a lot of work, man. That's hot. That's a lot of work. Anyway, yeah, so I took the roustabout up here. There's a 75 horse exhaust fan motor on this burner can, and the bearings went out in. I just had to pick it up, move it over, lower it down, pick the new one up, stick it back up there, and the maintenance guys here are gonna deal with it from there. But yeah, being the big damn hero, is it addictive? I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? I'm interested.